Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Just wanted to show you guys a pretty exciting development today. It's been many weeks in the making. I grew these little strawberry plants from seed. I'm very excited about this. So I've seen videos before about people growing strawberries from store-bought strawberry plants, or fruit, and just taking the seeds off, but I decided to try it for myself. And these lovely little plants grew from seeds that I got earlier this spring. So I'm gonna just show you guys the kind of short little clips that I did as they were growing, and then also just kind of give you a couple words here about how I got the seeds off. So I actually let a few of the strawberries get a little bit too ripe, and they were starting to shrivel up and dry. Makes getting the seeds out a lot easier. You can see them kind of being really close to the surface because the strawberry has shrunken a little bit. So you take those seeds off, and I just put them on a little paper towel, dried them out a little bit. And then I prepped some soil and got them put in there. I actually was kind of disappointed because I thought for sure none of the seeds were actually germinating, and it took a really long time, and to the point that I had thought nothing was growing out of the containers, and I pretty much gave up on it, and I forgot about it. And then what ended up happening is I started noticing some little things that were somewhat, like, I wasn't even sure if they were going to be strawberry plants or just weeds, but as it turns out, they were strawberry plants indeed. And you can see that they're growing quite nicely now. And yeah, I look forward to planting these out. I'm probably going to do them at the end of the summer or early fall. That's probably when I'll plant them out. And next year I'll just do a whole bunch more because this sure beats buying strawberry plants. I mean, they don't cost more than, like, a couple dollars, but if you can just get them from a few seeds that you pluck off a strawberry that you're going to eat anyway, this is like a huge win. If you've got patience and time, you can just grow your own. And then once you get a good strawberry patch, they proliferate anyway. So yeah, pretty excited about this. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, and try growing some strawberries for yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks everybody for your support. Bye.